Today we're going to begin a website called EverFi. We're going to be doing a program called Vault. This is a financial literacy program. That means we're going to be learning about making responsible choices with our money. We're going to be talking about saving our money or spending our money, making a budget for our money, borrowing money, and investing money throughout the program. We are going to be able to define key financial terms and concepts, recognize the impact of financial decisions, and apply critical thinking skills to real-world financial simulations and interactive exercises. How do we log in? First, you're going to open up Weebly, and you're going to scroll down to 4th grade, and you're going to go to the link that says EverFi. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And you're going to be signing in over here where it says sign in. Your username and password information to get logged in. Your username is going to be your regular JCPS username, just like you log on to the computers. There is only a couple people who will be different because their usernames were already taken. I will let those people know who they are. Your password is something that it makes you change when you get logged in. So everybody is going to start with the password RAM123. RAM123. No capital letters, no spaces. Once you log in, it's going to make you change your password. I want you to make it your JCPS password. Your JCPS, lowercase, uppercase, your 2 initials, and your 4 numbers. Make sure you're typing it correctly because if you don't, tomorrow you will have trouble logging in. It's going to look like this, and you are going to have to type your password 2 times to change it. You have to type it here, and you're going to type it here. Then you need to make sure that you click this little box right here to agree to their terms of service. If you don't click that box, it will not take it, and you'll have to redo typing it again 2 more times. Then you will click Save. Once you get logged in, it's going to come up to a page that looks like this. And you're going to click Getting Started. Next, you're going to see a picture of an earth. It says Play Now. That's where you need to click. It shows your course progress down here, and if you have any awards. We have none of that yet, so right now we're just going to click Play Now. Next thing you're going to see is we're going to have to click Forward. So this little navigation bar down here at the bottom, when you are at the end of a section of the activity, this little arrow right here may start flashing. That means you need to click that to move on. Finally, you're ready to get started. So you're going to click right here where it says Get Started. Now the way the game works, once you have gotten totally logged in, you're going to see a picture of part of a world. And you're going to see a little blue target. Now note, some of them have locks on them. You have to complete certain activities before others unlock for you to be able to do them. There are going to be 6 different learning modules in this activity. So if you click the arrows here on the side, that turns the world to the new modules. Module number 1 is responsible money choices. Learning module number 2 is income and careers. Learning module number 3 is making plans with money. Learning module number 4 is credit and borrowing. Learning module number 5 is insurance and safety. And learning module number 6 is savings and investing. At the beginning and the end of each module, you'll have a quiz. At the beginning, it's just a pretest just to see what you know. You can keep going even if you don't get all the questions right. When you are totally finished, you're going to be able to get a certification in this activity. You can see here where I tested it out. I will be able to see a grade for each pre-assessment and each post-assessment for each of the learning modules. And then once it's finished, it will say that you're certified right here, and I will be able to print out your certificate. This should take about 2.5 to 3 hours of work to complete the entire course and earn your certificate. Ready, set, go get started.